have been made ready.
Thank you so much, Gursimran, for joining us. In fact, viewers, as Gursimran was pointing out about the community posts that are being made, and he has also filed a report, viewers, from the border area, because what has happened is that the border police is on high alert right now, and that's what we are breaking right now. Border police posts on international border and the line of control on alert after Pakistan violated the ceasefire. The bulletproof bunkers, the SOG teams have been deployed by the police, establishing extra checkpoints on traditional infiltration routes. So that's the breaking news we have right now, viewers. All border police posts across Jammu region have been put on high alert. We're talking about the Jammu region here. Gursimran Singh gets some more.
And international border have been put on the high alert. Right now we are in the Jogwan area of Aknoor, where the security forces are on the highest of the alertness. They are maintaining this alertness to ensure that no one crosses from this area, because this area has been a traditional infiltration route, and equipped with these weapons, the security forces, they are keeping a tab at every situation. Here you will see that the Jammu and Kashmir police, they are checking the vehicles that are coming here. Even the two-wheelers that are here, they are also being checked by the Jammu and Kashmir police. The officials are also here. They are checking the vehicles so that they can rule out any possibility of anything that can be detrimental to the security of the country is smuggled from one place to the another. And the vehicles that are coming, that is the cars that are also coming, are being thoroughly checked by the Jammu and Kashmir police. One more car has arrived, and now they will be checking it thoroughly so as to get and ensure that there is nothing objectionable into it. And as we speak, here at the very entrance of this border police post, the security forces have also kept a special naka wherein they are checking the vehicles that are coming. And as soon as the vehicle arrives, the security forces, they circle down this area and then they check whatever is there in it. So everything is being checked.
And now we're getting in breaking news right now, because the Prime Minister is going to chair a ceasefire